From the Bob Mills Weather Center, Oklahoma weather expert Stacia Knight.
One of our storm trackers, Brandon Wells, sent us this amazing picture from earlier this evening, the sunset. And when I say earlier, we're talking just a few minutes ago because sunset tonight was 6:10. And throughout the month of February, we pick up about 2 minutes of daylight each day. So by the end of the month, compared to the beginning of the month, we're gaining about 50 minutes of daylight. So that's pretty good. And we'll continue with our sunrises getting about a minute earlier and our sunsets getting about a minute later. By the end of the month, sunset will be about 6:18. Tonight, temperatures are dropping, and we're already in the upper 50s in Pryor, and then upper 60s here in the metro. 70s out around Bristow at 71 and Okemah at 70. 63 now in Stigler, and a few high clouds. Later tonight, low clouds should start to develop, and that will help keep temperatures warmer on our side of the state. Upper 40s and low 50s will be our morning temperatures tomorrow. Meanwhile, with clear skies and lighter winds, it's going to be colder out in western Oklahoma tonight. But tomorrow throughout the day should end up even warmer than today. Upper 70s to low 80s for daytime highs. Also a stronger south wind tomorrow. The wind gusts will probably end up about 25 miles per hour, and we'll have a lot of sunshine. It'll be a warm and windy day. But then tomorrow night, we're going to be watching up to the north of Tulsa for potential storm development as a quick system is coming through. And some of the thunderstorms tomorrow night may have the potential of hail and therefore even becoming strong to isolated severe. Our storm zone is up into areas of Osage County, southeast Kansas, Washington County, and then back to the east into Ottawa and northern Delaware. The hail threat would be up to quarters or golf ball size hail if the updrafts are strong enough and can sustain the hail cores. And that's possible from about 10 p.m. tomorrow night through early Thursday morning. About 7 a.m. Our threat for storms has moved off to the east. Then we're tracking a cold front. And the cold front will bring in some strong north winds through the day on Thursday with gusts near 30. Temperatures will still be warmer than normal for February, but cooler than today and cooler than tomorrow. We're talking upper 60s to near 70, especially in southeast Oklahoma for Thursday afternoon. But the wind gusts, like I said, about 30 miles per hour. Friday, we'll still have a northwest wind, but it won't be as strong, and highs will be in the 60s. Friday, we'll put the 6-star stamp back on. It'll be a beautiful day. And then Saturday will be just a little warmer with still light winds. So 6-star stamp on Saturday as well. Sunday's warmer, but Sunday the winds are starting to increase again. And it could be windy for many days next week. And we're also tracking more storm systems. We're still in meteorological winter, though, which is December, January, February. And so far this winter has been tracking a little above normal when it comes to temperatures, just about 2 degrees warmer than normal so far. And then for precipitation, we're almost an inch above normal. So that's on par for an El Nino. But El Nino conditions are expected to continue to relax and, in fact, transition into a La Nina by the end of the summer. But our spring, we may end up in what we call an ENSO neutral pattern. So as we're getting out of El Nino and warmer surface temperatures in the Pacific, then we're transitioning to neutral conditions for spring. And at this point in time, the outlooks are highlighting warmer temperatures up to the north across the U.S. But for us, maybe a signal for a wetter than normal spring, a slightly wetter than normal spring, but that's just the latest outlooks coming out for March, April, and May. Definitely feels like spring, but remember, it's not just yet. 47 at 6 a.m. tomorrow, upper 70s for the afternoon high, and then 60s Thursday and Friday. Travel have more on our storm chances for tomorrow night at 10 o'clock.
Not often you get a 78 in February. We'll take it.
I do not complain about those.
That's right. Thanks, Stacia.